ratio of foamers to non-foamers? It has declined slightly.
Declined, yes. I think the first trip was what everybody signed up for.
Yeah. And now everybody's out like in spots watching it go by. Yeah.